he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah. I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be checking off our to-do list and getting it all done. And I have some stuff to do holiday prep wise. We have cleaning to do. I even want to go ahead and start dinner in the crock pot, so I'm going to take you along with me and let's get started. Today's video is extra special because it is in collaboration with my sweet friend Rachel from Rach+5. She's a mama to 5 and she brings tons of cleaning, cooking, and decor motivation over on her channel. I just know you will love her. She has a cookie recipe that just looks to die for, and she's even going to be sharing how she wraps her gifts.
He missed out on love, that's for sure.
I am starting off with the laundry, so I'm going to quickly sort all of these clothes and then get them in the washer so that they can work while I'm doing other chores.
Nothing to me now, 'cause there will be someone who would not complain to drive all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me, 'cause you're not here.
I'm not sure about you guys, but I feel much more productive and on my game when my room is picked up. So I'm going to start off by making my bed and then just do a really quick tidy around here to make sure it is ready to go for the day.
You ain't ringing my bells no more. You miss out on love, and that's for sure.
As always, my bathroom was looking like a complete disaster, so I'm going to quickly put all of this stuff away on the counters and then give them a really good wipe down and clean my mirrors.
You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about it. me. This year, it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. It was the night.
The baby and I have been spending a lot of time in our movie and game room over here, so I'm just picking it up really quick because I am going to be using this space to sort out all the gifts that I've got so far and get them nice and organized.
When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this.
Today I am sharing with you a very easy crock-pot chili recipe, and you're going to start off by browning your meat in the stove. I personally like to season the meat so that it is nice and flavorful before it ever hits the crock pot. To season the meat, I am using a bit of red pepper flake as well as chili powder, and I'm also going to use some salt and pepper.
From this Christmas sun.
And while my meat is browning, I am going to go ahead and chop up a yellow onion. I'm just going to do this a really nice dice so that it's ready to go directly into the crock pot.
What you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talk for hours on end.
I have gotten some questions about the tool I am using to ground up my hamburger. This is a cut and chop tool from Pampered Chef. I absolutely love it. It is a lifesaver when it comes to browning meat. And now let's go ahead and throw everything into the crock pot. I've already added in my onion and ground beef, and I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes and 2 cans of red kidney beans. I don't like to drain any of these just because I think the flavor it gives is actually quite helpful. I'm also adding in a can of diced chilies, some cans of water, and a collection of spices. So I'm using some more red pepper flake, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and for a little bit of kick, some cayenne. And all I will do now is set it for 6 hours on low, and the last hour and a half I will turn it to high just to make sure it comes up to temperature and really gets those flavors together. And now I am just going to quickly clean up the dishes I used to prep this meal and make sure my kitchen is in working order for later on.
From this Christmas sun, it's gonna be.
I have been collecting some packages by the front door that need to be taken upstairs and sorted, so that's what we're gonna do now.
From this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun.
So as I am going through these packages, I am sorting by who it is, and I'm also getting rid of any package fluff or anything else. And if it needs to be like cut down so that it can be recycled, I'm doing that as well. So I have a pile for my stepson, my daughter, and then I have a couple things for my parents and 1 or 2 things for my husband. We don't really exchange gifts because we just buy what we want when we want it, and so we would much rather spend the extra money we do have on our kids. Here I am actually going through a Black Friday order from Carter's. I stocked up on some pajamas in both 18-month and 24-month because I don't know about you guys, but I think babies grow way too fast. And the one thing I always forget to get ahead of time are PJs. So I went ahead and got those. Now I'm going to use these cardboard boxes to sort for each kiddo. So my daughter's stuff is all in the larger box, and then my stepson's stuff is in the smaller, and he does have less stuff because his stuff is more expensive. He is interested in video game accessories and things like that, so his packages will be lesser in number but far more in value.
Ooh, making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moon.
Right now, all of the clothes that I grabbed baby girl are gonna get put into her dresser here. I used this dresser that's in her closet to hold her upcoming clothes, so her 18-month, 24-month, and 2T stuff is all in these drawers here, just to keep them out of the way but also organized. I don't really fold them because I am gonna have to take all of the packaging off and wash them before they are ever worn, so I'm just kind of throwing them in here for the time being.
On a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend.
And it was about this time that little one woke up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her ready and take her down to see Daddy. But I just couldn't help myself on this little clip. She's just growing up so fast, and I love how little she is right now, so I'm trying to enjoy every single moment.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you. I don't need any.
Before I move on to any other chores, I am gonna go ahead and flip over the laundry. I always forget to do this, so I end up actually setting a timer on my phone. And behind my door here, I do have some wall hanging racks for anything that can't be dried. I will share in an upcoming video how I'm going to be redoing my laundry room, so I hope you guys stick around and check that video out.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true.
Since the baby is no longer sleeping, I am going to go ahead and do a quick vacuum of the upstairs. I didn't do it before because I didn't want to disturb her, so I am just using my Dyson handheld. I love this thing. I know that there are mixed reviews on it, but I think it works wonderfully, especially for small projects, and it just has really great suction power.
Holiday, holiday, let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful.
Unfortunately, I did end up losing over like a quarter of my footage for this video, which is seriously a YouTuber's nightmare, but I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed getting it all done with me, and this gave you at least a little bit of motivation to tackle a mess in your home. Don't forget to go over and check out Rachel's channel. She's gonna be sharing all the holiday get it all done stuff, so you are not going to want to miss it. I will see you all again on Monday in another video. Bye!
Oh, when I got you by my side, what a